In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting through Gmail. Whether you're coordinating a catch-up with a friend or organizing a team meeting, being able to set up a meeting effortlessly is an essential skill. Let's dive right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Gmail website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in if you haven't already. Use your credentials to access your Gmail account. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Gmail homepage where all your emails reside. Scan through the options presented on this page, and you'll see a grid icon at the top right corner of the screen. It looks a bit like a waffle. Go ahead and click on that icon, and you'll notice a drop-down menu with several Google services. Look for the calendar icon in this menu. It's usually labeled clearly. Clicking on this will take you to your Google Calendar. This is where the scheduling magic happens. With Google Calendar open, you can view your daily, weekly, or even monthly agenda. Think of this space as a digital planner that can handle both personal and professional appointments. Now, take a look at the bottom right of your screen. There, you'll see a plus sign. This is the button to create a new event. Click on it, and you'll be greeted with a form that lets you enter all the necessary details for your meeting. Start by filling in the event title with something descriptive. This will help you and your guests remember what it's about. Don't forget, this should adequately reflect the purpose of your meeting. Next, set the date and time for when you want the meeting to occur. Google Calendar offers a very user-friendly interface where you can select the desired time duration. Additionally, if your meeting is going to repeat, such as a weekly team check-in, you can set it to recur by choosing the repeat option. The location field is useful if your meeting is happening in a physical place. However, if it's a virtual meeting, you can add a Google Meet video conferencing link directly here. This is one of the features that makes using Google Calendar so seamless. Don't forget to add guests to your meeting by entering their email addresses. This ensures they receive an invite directly in their inbox. You can also add a message or notes for any particular details you need to convey. Once everything looks good, click on the Save button at the top. Your guests will receive notifications via email, which they can accept to confirm their attendance. And there you have it. You've successfully scheduled a meeting through Gmail using Google Calendar. Mastering this process can really help you stay organized and ensure everyone is on the same page. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.